Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify 1031 exchange steps with EquityMultiple. Begin by visiting the EquityMultiple website. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the 1031 exchange section available in the menu. Review the overview of the 1031 exchange process provided on the website. Ensure you understand the eligibility requirements for a 1031 exchange. Familiarize yourself with the types of properties that qualify for the exchange. Gather the necessary documents related to your current property. Initiate the property sale process, ensuring it aligns with the 1031 exchange timeline. Consult with a qualified intermediary to facilitate the transaction. Submit your property sale details to the intermediary. Once your property is sold, confirm with your intermediary that they have received the funds. Identify potential replacement properties listed on EquityMultiple. Analyze the investment opportunities that fit your criteria. Conduct due diligence on the selected replacement properties. Prepare to submit an offer for your chosen replacement property. Coordinate with the seller and your intermediary to finalize the purchase agreement. Ensure all timelines are adhered to, particularly the 45-day identification period for replacement properties. After identifying your replacement property, communicate this to your intermediary. Complete the necessary paperwork for the 1031 exchange with your intermediary. Once the purchase is finalized, confirm that all funds are appropriately allocated. Retain all records of the exchange for your personal records. Monitor your investment and stay informed about the property's performance. Review any tax implications that may arise from your 1031 exchange. Consult a tax professional for any further questions regarding your transaction. Stay updated on EquityMultiple's offerings and market trends to enhance your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.